Mislead. I never mislead my customers about prices. The confusing sign is misleading visitors right now. The advert has just misled thousands of shoppers. The rumor has been misleading the public for weeks. The faulty map misled us badly yesterday. The salesman was misleading us when the manager stepped in. The headline had misled readers before the correction ran. The forecast had been misleading travelers for days before it was fixed. I will not mislead you about the risks tomorrow. The clever wording will be misleading customers all campaign. The trailer will have misled the whole audience by opening night. By June, the false label will have been misleading buyers for a year.